Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to download music on YouTube app. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my mobile phone. Now I'll tap on YouTube and now to download songs. First of all, I'll search for one song. Now I'll go with this Unreal and over here you can select your desired song. For now, I'll go with this one. And over here to download this song on YouTube, under the subscribe you can see here is download. Just tap on this and now you can see it's downloading. Now to view this, tap on view and you can see our song is being downloaded. Also you can see I have downloaded many songs over here. So in this way we can download songs on YouTube app. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.